There are new concerns about an increase in whooping cough around the country. Cases are at a 10-year high. The CDC recorded more than 17,000 cases this year. That's around 5 times more than case numbers a year ago. New Hampshire has seen 25 cases so far this year. Whooping cough causes violent coughing attacks for some children, and it can be silent but deadly in others.
Or for children under the age of 1, it might not come with any coughing at all. It might come with periods of apnea or when they stop breathing, which is why it's so important to pay attention.
The best means of protection is to get vaccinated. Children should be vaccinated about 5 times between infancy and the 6th grade. For adults, doctors recommend you get an updated vaccine every 10 years to make sure your protection is up to date.